Huh?
That's what I said, but I wasn't sure I was right or not.
Yeah, I have no idea. God, mosquitoes over here on this side are horrible.
Oh, quit your whining.
Yeah, well,
Come here,
you
stand
will.
on this end of this.
Screw you.
Screw you. Tip over. That's how I got hurt last time.
Well, good.
Oh, wait a minute. It actually goes the other way.
He's like, get the ladder. I'm gonna go do this. I'm like, okay. Pick up the ladder. There's a spider the size of a. God damn.
Size of a what?
Everywhere, Dad. Jesus.
They're just saying hi. Just
Yeah. Hold that.
Just saying hi.
hi, baby.
Hi, let me take your blood.
Good. I'm gonna rain to mud.
There. Now. See how it goes down again.